Hello and welcome to Festive Series Part 4. So in this we are going to make this type of Shubha Labh. So this is the actual piece and I'll show you what all material we required. So in this we require this type of moti ring, a metal plate, this type of decorative bangles, then of course a pair of Shubha Labh. These are I have used these handmade foam Iran flowers in combination with paper flowers. So these are my handmade foam Iran flowers and these are paper flowers, and this is a latkan which we are going to hang, and any type of jute or cotton thread, rope. This is a very I guess this is 0.2 mm cotton rope. You can use any jute rope or jute twine or any other twines which you have with you. And where you will get this material, so you will get this all material from Deepchand. Those who are from Pune, you will get all of this material from Deepchand except these foam Iran flowers. You will get these flowers with me. And those who are out of Pune, you can get in touch with me for all the material. We are also providing kits for this. So what was the kit price and what all will be included in the kit, everything I'll put in the description along with my phone number, so you can get in touch with me if you have any queries, or if you want to order a kit with me, you can get in touch with me on the same number. I'll just place these things aside and then we'll start. So first, my hot glue gun is ready. If you are working with hot glue gun, please be careful, as if you are not careful then it will burn and it's a very nasty burn. So please be careful, and if the kids are doing this project, it's advisable to be under supervision of the parents. Okay, so first what we'll do, I'll take this decorative bangle and I'll put glue on these colorful beads and just put this down. As my hot glue gun is very hot, so if you can see there are fumes of this, so this is very hot, so I have to be very careful with it. And then I'll just place this on my metal plate. Give it a nice pressure from all over. So that this will stick properly. Because of the roundity of these beads, sometimes there are chances that your bangle is not stuck properly, so you have to be careful and give a nice pressure. I'm just removing this excess glue. Once I'm done with it, what I'll do, I'll take my twine, a piece of twine, and I'll just thread it once it's done, I'll just thread with this. And I'll align my bangle and my moti ring like this, and I'll just tie a knot. Now if you want, you can keep it as it is. You can show this knot, even that looks better. And if you want a finished look, what you can do is just rotate your twine and bring your knot here. Can you see on the moti ring? So now you have to play with it so that you will get a proper position. Okay, so this is done. Now what we can do is, now we know that here we want. So I'll take my foam flower and I'll just cut this threads, and using my glue gun I'll just place one flower here, just to make sure that my thread is sticking properly. Then I'll take my another flower and again, while sticking, sticking these flowers, you have to be careful that you are securing your twine with this moti ring. Okay, once this is done, what I'll do, I'll take some yellow flowers. These are ready-made flowers, these are not handmade. You will get it easily in any shop, wherever you are getting your craft material. Now you will get there. And what I'll do, I'll make a bunch of 3 flowers. So 1, 2 and 3, and I'll just twist it like this. So this is a bunch of 3 flowers. Same way I'll make all these bunches. We required total 12 flowers, 12 yellow flowers. One up, second, third, and just rotate. Just twist your wire. That's it. Guys, when you are getting in touch with me, please be consider that I don't work on Sundays, so my phone so I won't be able to answer your queries on Sunday. You can contact me from Monday to Saturday between 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. anytime. Even if you can just drop your query, I will get back to you. So this is how we are done with the bunches. Now I'll just cut the excess wire. These are the soft wires, so you can cut them with any scissor. Now what I'll do, I'll put my glue on this flower this and the wire. So here we go, this flower, some of on the other flowers and the wire, and we'll just stick this. Then before sticking this, I'll quickly take another bunch and I'll place the glue and I'll stick it, and then I'll press this flower. Okay, same way we'll go from this side. Now I'll take some more foam flowers. And I'll just make a bunch here. Okay. Now I'll take my this golden latcan and I'll tie it underneath. Now I want this a little dangly, so I'm not securing my knot absolutely on the ring. I'll just keep some distance. Yeah, you have to be very patient, because this is a very small thread. Yes, finally I got it. And then I'll take one more of my foam flower and I'll put it over here. So this will beautify your project more. Also it will secure your latcan with the moti ring. Once you are done with this, I'll just flip this. So now you see this is not secure, this side. So what I'll do, I'll just drop a glue over there, and I'll take a small foam flower, and I'll stick over there. So it will be more secure. So now my twine is completely secure. It will not move. My bunch is ready. And now I'll take La, as my sample has a Shubh written on it. So I'll just complete this pair. For sticking Shubh La, I'm using Fevifix. This is from Pidilite. So I'll just dab a tube on this. And I will stick this inside on that metal plate. Okay. So now I'll show you the complete set. This is our complete set. If you see these glue gun threads, now just remove them. There is nothing to be worried about. You can easily remove them. And this is my set, Shubh La. If you like my project, please click on the like and subscribe buttons, and stay tuned for next videos. Thank you.